Come on, Sarah, crab up. Crab your legs up. Come up, you can do it. Wow. Come on, Sarah, you can do it. Wow. Hi, birdie.
Try to go a little higher. I don't know why I'm so afraid.
Man, my battery's gonna die too on top of it.
I didn't see the comments.
Ooh, that one's pretty.
That looks nice.
Yes, it is. Yeah, my battery's going to die. Oh wow. That's pretty. I'll take as much video as I can until this thing dies. A lot of the fireworks are really low and over those trees. Wow. Ah. People are playing with their rocket toys. And the rockets are there. All the bombers singing it. Being true to the night. But the flag was still there. Can't sing. Oh well. So, do you have your flashlight, honey?
Yes, I have a flashlight.
Or maybe we can look for your action figure.
I know where it is, but...
Do you want me to save my grandson? One of my grandkids, the action figure grandkids? Hi, I'm a grandmother to all your action figures. They're my grandkids. Hi. Oh, say stars spangled banner. Ooh, that was pretty. Man, people are gonna set our town on fire.
Back over there, look. They're easier to see.
Oh, there we go.
Fireworks.
That's the final finale. Hell yeah! Go USA!
Yay!
Woo! Go USA! Oh yeah, baby! Yeah! Woo! They started a few minutes early this year, though.
They started it, huh?
Yeah, they started about 10 minutes early. In the middle of Star Trek, too. I think that was it.
that it for this year?
I think
There's
so.
still some in the other. Whoa, they're still going.
Can't even see it. There's so much cloud. Oh, there it is. There's a little bit over on this side. Yay! Ooh, pretty. Aw, poor baby. You scared?
Yes.
I'm freaked out too of heights too, so we're freaked out together. Enjoy the fireworks. Focus on the fireworks. I'm here. I'll help you down. I'll even get your action figure while we're up here.
Except he's near the edge.
I'll be very careful as I scooch down. But look at. I'm gonna stop this video. I'm not able to see this. Come on, go higher above the clouds.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the cloud. Look.
Go higher.
Ooh, there's some more. Look. Yay! Go USA! We can't even see the finale. Hopefully it will show up better on the video. Yeah, all the cloud cover has got it.
Just imagine they're still using cannons.
Of course, you have to shoot them out of a cannon, honey.
Fire the cannon.
Fire! Fire, 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 fire! Yeah, fire!
Well, at least they're still using Pirates of the Caribbean cannons.